Arkadaşlar hoş geldiniz. Welcome. How many of you are master's and PhD students? And how many are postdoctoral researchers or university professors? Okay. And are there any undergrads? You are very lucky to be selected because number of applications were almost 500. We had hard time to select 50 or 60 of you, from these 500. So welcome. We have participation from other countries as well. One of our participants, she's driving from Romania, all the way from Romania to participate in this school. So we are very lucky, to be present here. Just a brief introduction on the scope and topic of the lecture series. As you know, the title of the lecture series is Wireless and Beyond 5G Communications Printed School. As you are well aware, the evolution of 5G starts with in 1980s, 1G. I remember I was at Pasadena, Los Angeles, in those years. We used to carry large boxes, communication boxes called wireless phones. AMPS, was the name of the system at the time. Only a few number of communicators, would be able to communicate at a given time because of the limitations in sharing the channel. But then, very swiftly progressed to 2G, where we had text messages, SMS messages. 3G, with 3G we had mobile internet communications feasible as well. And then 4G and 5G, as you know, wireless communications is all around. It's embedded basically in our life. And coming to evolution to 6G, artificial intelligence at all layers of communications, including the intelligence sensing layer, the access layer, and intelligent cloud layer. We have a tremendous scale of applications governed by artificial intelligence. So we'll all talk about these in detail during the lecture, so I'm just trying to sum up the coverage of the lecture series. As far as the standardization is concerned, as you know, Professor Hussein just recently came from Switzerland on the standardization communications meetings. It's in progress. I believe release 20 of the 6G standards is being released, and work on release 21 and 22 is in progress. And by the year 2030, 6G standards, I think, and deployment will probably start worldwide. As far as the coverage of the lectures are concerned, the first day of the lectures will be the foundations. That's typically what we do in our lectures. We make sure that everyone participating is in the same page. Professor Hussein will talk about LTE, 5G, 6G, and history, all the background up to now, a short while. And then in the afternoon, I'll have a short talk, introductory talk on information theory, channel capacity. And then this will be followed by a basic introduction to random processes by Professor Kemal Özdemir from Medical University. Day 2 will start with optical wireless communications because of the bandwidth allocation, especially in low range communications, optical wireless communications is becoming very prominent. From NYU, New York University of Abu Dhabi, Murat Uysal, Mohammed, and Masih have an introduction on optical wireless communications. And Day 2 will continue with the world-oriented communications by Uysal. Bursa from Middle East Technical University. Up until now, the content of the communications was not considered in the protocol and the architecture of 5G communications, but content-oriented communications is becoming more and more established and prominent as part of 6G. And we'll continue with the tool with resource allocation and scheduling. We have a speaker from TÜBİTAK. The resource allocation, as far as optimization of communication is concerned, is very critical. The energy and the throughput, the quality always needs to be optimized for maximum benefit. And day 3 will start with 5G beam management. Abdülkadir Köse, professor, will introduce this concept from Abdullah Gül University. And we continue with some applications in industry, wireless connectivity in industrial use cases. Basically, the real-time monitoring, remote control, improved efficiency will be emphasized through demonstrations in industrial use cases. And day 3 again will continue with advanced estimation techniques in wireless communications from Istanbul Technical University. Professor Hakan Ali will talk about how do we estimate the channel characteristics. Because channel characteristics basically dictates the optimum modulation, demodulation, and decoding estimation algorithms to further enhance the quality of communications. And therefore, we'll talk about standards, artificial intelligence and machine learning in 3GPP, which is the government standard of the 5G and 6G communications. And from ULAK, our telecommunications base station manufacturing company ULAK, Tuna from ULAK will talk about the standardization, progress in standardization. We will continue with faster than Nyquist for 6G. As you know, if you do not tolerate interference among the symbols, technically, with the Nyquist theorem, you can have 2 bits per hertz optimal communication. But if you are able to somehow tolerate symbol interference, and there are other techniques where you can achieve basically faster than Nyquist rate. This will be topic for today. And we'll continue with on day 4 applications of artificial intelligence in 5G and beyond. As you mentioned, in all layers of the communication structure in 6G, artificial intelligence is becoming more and more prominent and effective. So we listen to Professor Sinan Çeleri from Koç University. And day 5 we'll switch to non-terrestrial networks from Planes, Rashid Turkut. We'll talk about non-terrestrial networks and what the Planes does in terms of manufacturing low Earth orbit satellites and applications of particular IoT devices on non-terrestrial networks. And continuing with non-terrestrial networks, we'll have 2 speakers from Polytech Montreal and Carleton University to further elaborate on the non-terrestrial networks. And as far as our program, we also have arranged special topics. Special topics, these are going to be 1-hour lectures that will cover a very specialized area to further broaden our understanding of the applications of the upcoming 6G. We'll have a speaker from Aselsan on private 5G networks. and Turkcell, practical aspects of wireless communications. Türk Telekom, also they talk about their wireless projections on the applications of 5G and 6G standards. We'll have another speaker from the Khalifa University, Professor Mervan Deba. He is the director of telecommunications in Khalifa University, applications of artificial intelligence on telecommunications in Khalifa University. He is going to talk about telecom-specific large language models. What are the ways we can implement large language models on telecommunications? And finally, low-altitude economy. We are going to have a speaker from KAUS, King Abdulaziz University of Science and Technology, Professor Mohammed Selim Aruni and Bahar Al-Mekki, and they talk about low-altitude economy, the economy of using maybe UAVs and low Earth orbit view of satellites in the applications on 6G. So this is the program. I think all of you have the program, and I again welcome you to our lecture series and hope to meet with all of you individually in this series that will last until the end of Tuesday. Thank you.